Grabe. Parang Warriors versus Lakers pa. Oh, nagkas na mainit ko. Uy, Lakers pala. Kaya po, warm up na po. Ay na yung Shaba. Uy, si Zion Williams. Okay, patapas. Shot, ulit.
Kiyang galingan nyo, ha?
Grabe po yung mga sapatos ng Elly ko. Giannis, Labelo, Shing.
Wala pa ulit commentators, Genesis na yung Rock.
Genesis, labas na! Asa yung commentator natin, si Genesis.
PJ Genesis Tolentino to the playground! Pogi Genesis, labas na! Huwag ka na naman!
Welcome the players of the home court, Kyrie and Kalape. Wow! Ay, si Kalape, oh. Kalape dito. Yan. Next! Akala nyo, basketball, ha? Sunod dito, wrestling ang game, hindi basketball. Next! Kian Rice G. Maramag. Next, let's welcome Stephen Kelly C. Cadiente. Next, Yuan Gavin Sosa. Next, Sid Marcos Aguasin. Next, Seth Daniel C. Lapitan. Next, Ulrich G. Davila. Next, Rangel I. Emerson B. Punto. Talagang kumpleto pangalan nila. Next, si Punto, nasa si Punto. Oh. Next, Galvin George Q. Zarate. Bakit puro 4 big 3? Mga future Lebron do. Next, Kian Paul B. Montilla. Ay, eto si Dayang. Kian, patingin niya, Kian. Okay, Kian. Okay. Next, Gavin Maverick Arenas. Once again, I want to remind you, this is only friendly game, ha? Bawal mainit ang ulo. Kapag mainit ang ulo, you will be out of the game. Okay? Again, we'll be giving medals for the winners, courtesy of PTC Officers 2023-24, Mythical 5, and of course, the MVP. Okay, for the first 5, tatawagin pa ba? Wow, nagpalit na ako ng profession. First 5, visitor, Liam Lyric Forman, Drek Isaac, John Cueto, Lebron Avion Dotig, and Don Ronaldo Labay. First 5, home court, Zid Marcos, Zed Daniel Ulrich, Galvin, and Kian. The rest, go to your bench. Okay. Shaba, pag kayo...
Yes. Uy! Ayan na. Holding. Carry. Uy! Uy! Traveling. Bola ng Shaba. Ayan na. Ayan na si Kuya. Hey, pinasa. Uy! What a shot. Trap. Double. Ayan na si Kuya. Uy! What a pass. Nice pass. Wala. Wala kumukuha ng bola.
Joki yan!
Ayan na. Uy! Isa kay Curry. What? Wala, mintes. Ayan na si Kuya. Power forward. Uy! Nice pass. Binigay. Binigay kay Westbrook. Nag-shot Westbrook. Wala, mintes. Ayan na, layup. Never mind. Ayan na si Curry. Curry. What a pass. What a layup. Sayang. Free throw. Tumalon. Lakas. 1 point for Shaba. Ayun na. Kyrie Irving. Ayun na. May communication. What a pass. Diabot. Ayun na. Hey! Iniwan. Uy! 2 points for Shaba. Ayun na. Bola ng NFPS. Oh. Hey! Pinasa. Iba yan, huli. Bola ng NF. FEPS 3, NF 0. Sayang! Ayun na. Oh. Backcourt. Saan ka pupunta, Kuya? Bola ng Shaba. Ayun na. Uy! Open! Uy, step back. What a shot! 2 points for Shaba. Ayun na. Ayun na. Uy! Uy! Nangyari sa sentro. Hey! What a shot! Shaba! Shaba, 7 points, NF 0. Time, 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Time out, time out. Ayun na, bola ng NF. Girls, excuse me po. Ayun na. Uy. Florida, holding the ball. What a pinasa. Uy, si Kerry nag-shoot. Ay, hindi pala. Ayun na. Ayan point guard natin. Hey, hey, uy, what a steal. Hey, hey. Foul, foul. And a ball. Ayun na. Ay, nasa Florida. Hey, what a shot. Ay, nabinak. Ayun na. Si Kuya, dribbling. Ay, trap. Double. And a ball. And now Florida holding the ball, dribbling. Hey, pinasa. What a pass. Uy, foul. Free throw. 3 minutes left. Score, Shaba 7 points, NF 0 points. Saya. Uy, ayan si Ram. What a pass, pinasa kay Florida. Ayan. Saya. Kiss pa rin. Ayan na, Curry. Pinasa kay Florida. Ayan na. Uy. Give the screen. Wala. Ayan si, uy, Curry. Uy, uy, iniwan pati kaibigan. Ay, what a lay. Ay, nataba, nataba. Chill lang, chill, chill. Ayun na, Florida, pinasa. Uy, uy, muntik naman ka break. What a shot by Florida! 3 points! Ayun na. Ayun na. Pinasa. And a ball. Sub, sub. Ada si Florida. 1 minute left. Uy! Sayang. Ayun na si Centro. Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Ay, ginagawa, nagawa. Si Curry holding the ball. Pinasa kay Florida. Uy, what a steal! Ay! Wala. 45 seconds left. Shaba, mag-share nga kayo. FEPS 7, NFPS 5 points. 20 seconds left remaining. Ay na pinasa. Uy, what a steal by. Ay na, gawan. Uy, iniwan pati kaibigan. Ay, what a pass.
Rocky yan!
Ay, sayang. Bayan, kulang pa.
Ay!
4, ay 5, 4. Pause. 2 seconds left remaining na lang. Inasa, ay na, Curry.
In the favor of FEPS. See, ganun ang kata.
Shout out kay Enzo.
Kuya. Go, Elly!
Star daw, second quarter.
Ay na, Shaba ball. Ay na si Kyrie Calape. Ay na, dribble. Hey! Tumira ng 3. Isa test. Ay na.
Run, Elly! Nice.
Good sayang. Ay na. Ay si Kobe. Ay. Ay na. Back go. Ay, good. Ay, what a steal. What a layup. Shaba. 2 points. Ay na. Inata. Uy. Mikot. Foul. Ay na ball. Kinuha. Hey, what a layup. What a shot. Ay na, si Kuya. Hey, pinasa. Nice one, Josh. What a
Go,
receive.
Josh!
Nice pass. What a shot. Hey, bang.
Woo!
Shaba, cheer kayo. Let's go, Shaba. Let's go.
Go, Elly!
Let's go, Shaba. Let's go. Ay na tumira ang 3. Never mind.
Foul.
Foul.
Elly answer.
2 free throws. Boys!
Elly.
Nice, Kobe Bryant. Ay na, pinasa ni Joshua. Foul! Sayang. Idol ko yan. Kaliwede yan, idol ko yan. Next game, volleyball, girls, high school. Last shot. Boys, Shaba, let's go, Shaba, let's go. Let's go. Ay, airball, never mind.
11-5 in favor of FEPS.
Go, Elly! Go,
Defense!
Kian! Go, Kian!
Defense! Defense! Sigaw! Ayan na.
Defense!
Holding the ball. Uy! What a crossover! What a screen! Ayos si Kyrie Calape! What a layup! Hey! 2 points! Sumakay ka pa! Seven minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Oy! Huli! Nice one, Pogi. 13-5. Sub by Anat. Ayan si Florida. Lumabas. Kobe. Ayan na. Tinang defense. Hey! Holding. Oy! Iniiwan. Oy! Crossover. Foul.
Elly!
2 free throws for Anat. Ayun na, nakalamelo na pa shoes. Uy! 1 point for Anat. Melo. Sabag. Nice shot. Hey, what a rebound. Sayang. Ayun si Kobe. Dribbling. Pinasa.
Hands up, Elly!
Pinasa kay Florida. What a step back. Shot. Ay, sayang. Ayun si Kyrie Calape. Dribbling. Ayun na. Uy, sayang pasa. What a steal by Florida. Ay, sayang. Shaba ball. Boys, cheer kayo. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go, Shaba. Let's go. Never mind. Uy, what a block. Ay, di. Papa rin. Oy, nice one. Shaba, 13 points, and not 8 points. Kyrie Calape, dribbling. Ooh. Ayun lang, na-corner.
Hit!
Pinasa. Uy. Galing kuya, what a shot. Hey! Ganda. Pinasa kay Florida. Dribbling. Uy. Foul. Counted. Timeout by Anna. Good. Hey, niribang ni Joshua. Ayan na. Si Pogi. Hey, nagawan. Traveling from step 1 to Japan. 5 minutes and 30 seconds
Elly,
remaining.
hands up ka lang!
Ayun na si Pogi. Uy, what a dribble. Florida for 3. Hey, gimme sheesh. Ayun na, Kyrie Calape. Hey, ay no. Backcourt. Tindi ng defense. Timeout by Shaba. NF ball. Si Florida, seryoso. Oo. Magrarambulan pa kayo. Ayun na, pinasa. Ayun na. Oy, pinasa. Kay Curry! For 3! Ay, hindi pala. Naging chicken curry. Ayun na. Hey, hold. Dribbling. Curry namin sa Shaba. Uy, what a screen. Ayun na, looking for open. Uy, pinasa. Pinasa kay Pogi. For 2. Ay, sa rebound ni Kobe Bryant. Binigay kay Florida. Ayan na. Hey.
Hands up!
Foul. Ayan na. Boy, what a spin! Hey! Spin, my gosh! Ayan na. Ayan point guard namin, TG. Pinasa. Ay! Ayan na kay Curry. Pinasa. Uy, what a steal! Ow! Shaba po. NF ball? NF ball. NF ball. Ayun na. Ayun na. Tinang defense. Pinasa kay Florida. Uy. Grabe. 4-3. Wala. Ayun na. Pinasa. Kobe Bryant. Hey. Airball. Ayun na. Ayun na. Tumira. Uy. Grabe. 3 minutes left
Go,
remaining.
Josh!
4-3. Wala. Ayun na, nirebound ni Pogi. Ayun na, uy.
Hands up!
Inasa kay Florida. Kay Curry. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Ayun na kay Joshua. Uy. Uy. Ayan, sige, rambulan, sige. Joke lang yun. And Shaba ball. Ayun na, ayun na. Ayun na. Si PG. Dribbling. Grabing depensa. Ayun na. Grabe. Pinasa kay Florida.
Hands up!
What a shot. Wala. Uy. And a ball. Shaba ball. Ayan na, dribbling. Hey. Nako, cornered. Ang pinasa kay Curry. Na ba yan?
Hands up!
Ayan na. Chill lang, chill. Tumira na 3. God bless! And that's 16 points, Shaba 15 points. What a comeback by Elly. Ay, PG natin. Dribbling. What a pass. Pinasa kay Curry. Ay. Wow. Top. Shot. Wala Memphis. Anay na kay Kobe Bryant. Na kay Kobe Bryant. Oh my God. 2 minutes remaining. Ayun na. Binigay ni Florida. Nakay Florida na naman. Tumira ang 3. It's a test!
It's a mess.
NF 16.
Beijing Genesis, our best commentator. Halika na, Beijing Genesis. Beijing Genesis. Out. Time out. Alright, uy, sayang. Uy, pinagagawan. Sige, kinuha. Oops. Uy, sabay. 2 points back sa NFPS. Ang score po natin ay 15-18. Ayan, sinot. Patay, pumasok. Oh, game ha? Sisigaw tayo.
Go, Elly! Hands up!
Alright, 1 minute. Ops! Eee! Ops, ops, ops. Ayun na. Oh, 55 seconds remaining. Oh. Uy, binalik. Si Stephen Curry, ayan na. Ops, wala. Ops. FEPS ball. Tama, FEPS? Yeah. Wait lang. Go.
And select quickly from the list.
40 seconds.
Which way the truck will go.
Score, 17 FEPS, 18 NFPS. Shaba! 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 Shaba!
Relax lang!
Oh, ayan na guys. On the way na po si Kuya. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7,
Stop!
7. Alright.
Mythical point! Oh my God! Oh, sino ang mythical point? Nasaan ang medal? Nako, bakit yung sinapit? Grade 6. Congratulations, Steven. Ian. And of course, from NFPS. Sir, name? Isaac Prolida. Congratulations. Nasaan ang medal? Yung medal eh. Marami tayong medal. Pamigay nyo. Another medal. And of course, Sir Travis. Kilala mo si Kurt Travis? Sino si Travis? Congratulations, Travis. Dalawa talaga.